Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I actually have my voice. And today we're not playing Click Your Heroes or Anti-Matter Dimensions. We're starting another new series, Realm Grinder. I haven't opened it yet. Let's do it right now. Loading game, waiting for data. I don't have any data, that's the thing. Let's just wait. I'm just doing this off camera, so. Offline production, welcome back. Oh, I guess I did open it once, but I ain't produced nothing. Now try clicking anywhere on the realm landscape. Whoa. Well done. Clicking on the realm will generate coins. Keep clicking until you get 10 coins. Nice. Whoa. Click here to purchase a farm. Farm costs 4. Wait, what? Well done. Buildings automatically generate coins. Now keep clicking to earn more coins. Found a faction coin. They're over here, which you can be used to form alliances with different factions in this realm. They can be found randomly when clicking. Open the upgrades panel to review them. Ooh, okay. Now build 5 farms. Okay, that should be hard. Good, now open the upgrades panel. And we got that. You unlocked an assistants serve you by finding coins and even faction coins. Ooh. Let's analyze the tax collection spell, however on it to see its description. Each spell has its own unique effect, to check them all. Instantly gain 30 seconds worth of coin production from buildings and assistants. Estimated coins gained 601. It cost mana, and I got mana. Makes quite a small bit. Okay, let's get a blacksmith. Oh, we got a goblin coin. We got fairy, demon. Ooh, elven. Nice. Let's get another. Let's just get a ton of things. Let's go to upgrades. That's a lot of money. Increase production of all buildings based on the amount of buildings you own for 20 seconds, 5%. Okay, so we need 1,000 coins to increase royal exchange bonus and additional. What? We'll reset all the buildings. Trophies are like achievements, I'm assuming. Nice. Okay. Events and then so forth. What do we got 5 on? Yeah, we got. I don't know what you can upgrade this with. Faction coins are found randomly by clicking the mouse or passively by your assistant. You can use these to make royal exchanges. Or if this is your faction, to purchase alliance. If this is your current change to find faction coins. Chance, I mean. This game 17. This recreation 17. Because I haven't recreated yet. So I need a angel, goblin, and all of these coins. I'm assuming I got another one. I'm getting a ton of coins. Demon, elven, undead. Now I'm getting a ton of different ones. How many? Oh, I got 1,000, which means, study treasure. I'm getting that. So it says increase base clicking reward by +4 while on offline, generate 1 clicks per second. Oh, 5 every time I click now. Wonder if that's, okay, not for the fairy and undead coins, just for that. So I got 17,000 coins. I got that again. So I need 25,000 coins now. So I need, because I like to grind, it costs 1,000. Increase royal exchange bonus by an additional. Okay, wait, what? How do you exchange? How do you exchange another trophy? The mana droplet, increase mana generation by 0.5. Okay. Estimate coins gain. Okay, I'm not gonna get much right now. Okay, let's just get some more of this. And I got 12,000 coins. Let's buy out a ton of these. Okay, we should be making. Yeah, we're making money really quick now. Shop. These are actual. Okay, so. And then there's gem conversion. I don't think I have any gems. Oh, top quality beer. Or we can get this for 12,077 coins. Let's get that. 50 faction coins? Nice. Boom. Now we should be making more off of this now. Let's get that. Absent ruler. Increase offline production. Yeah, I need to get that probably next. Okay. Oh, you can buy more than one. Ah. That's quite a bit. Oh. Farm production. Oh, wait, let me just. Yeah, let me just go back to 1. Wait, where are the. Should I take upgrades off? There they are. And then, so we got trophies. Nice. Oh no. Now you must choose your path. Are you a good ruler or an evil tyrant? Where do I choose? Oh, I got 4 assistants. Okay, upgrades. Proof of evil dead or good deed. Yourself. This is more idle gameplay, and I'm gonna do that. So I'm on to this. How many? You may now join forces with a powerful faction. Okay, we've got okay. He's still making quite a bit though. Now this, Goblins Trade Treaty free, a royal exchange. You can purchase a Goblin Friendship Pact or spend unused coins to gain a passive bonus. Check the royal exchange button. Oh. Makes sense. Angel or Goblin. Do you really want to buy this exchange? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Precious treasure. We got 50,000 coins now, so let's just do that. And let's just get a few of these. We can get the Hall of Legends. Wait, what? Produces 250,000 coins per unlocked trophy. And that seems pretty good. What? Resistance. Oh, yeah. Resistance. Yeah. We have the smaller cells. We need 36,200. Oh, we got that. We need 112, 16. That's quite a bit. We got 7 upgrades. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, makes sense. Boom, I can upgrade that. Now, if I get more of these, I'm making a lot of money. Let's just. Oh, we got 89 every time. How many assistants? We got 6 assistants. Clicking more. Okay, so We got a ton of trophies. So we got 8 upgrades, filled treasure, and then durable clicking, I guess, whatever. I didn't read it. Oh, we got a ton of money. Unlock goblin upgrades, 100 goblin coins. I think I got 19. Oh, 19, yeah. So it takes more. And then this is just regular coins. 1,000,000 coins! We have a ton of demon. That's weird. Album Greed. Oh, Dark Temple, let's get that. Okay. Now, let's see. Again, a ton of money every time we click now. We need a bit more. Okay, let's get that, and let's do that. There's 6 upgrades we can do. 1, 2, 3, 6. But they're a bit expensive. Yeah, we need like 50 mil. So I'm saying 7.3 mil. I'd say save up for that. What? We got a... Now we need 1,000 fraction coins. I think I got 250 or something like that. Actually, I'm gonna just get more Dark Temples. Yeah, I should be getting a lot more Dark Temples. Where are they? Let's close this. Okay, we got farms. We still got all those. I'm assuming the Dark Temple is that. Right there. I have no clue though. What's the witch? Is it this? No. I don't know. We need to get to the evil fortress though. Hopefully we can. We got 7 now. Witch the bath. Oh, it's not too much. Increase witch production by 100 as one assistant. That's something we need. And we can get it. Boom. Unlocked another trophy also. We got clouded. Register your realm in the cloud server. Okay. More Dark Temples. So you will not gain any gem by now. Go grind some coins first. Coins required for the next gem is 1 trill. Yeah. So I need 1 trillion coins. Not for a while. It's basically what it's saying. 5. Oh, nice. I need 8.89 mil coins to increase Dark Temple production by 100 and add another assistant. Build 250 buildings in a single game. Nice. Okay. So, Royal Exchange. Fairy. Angel. Costin FC. Yes. I don't know Costin faction coins. So I got a few more faction coins now. I need the goblin coins. Hold up. Goblin coins are yet. I got 34 of them. I don't really know what you do with them though. That's the one thing I don't know. We got 7 assistants though. And we need 8 point something mil. Unlocked the trophy. Clicking forward. We need 8.89 mil. We got 5 point something mil. It's going up every second, so it's kind of hard to tell. But I like clicking. Oh, Blood Frenzy. Hotkey 3, cast this game, 0. Okay, let's do that. That looks interesting. Oh, nice. We have enough to do that now. Oh, nice. Every time we click, we get 11,000. Not bad, not bad. Let's get that. That looks really good. Oh, and we got there over there. And we can get another one of those. We get some more coins. Goblin coins are not as easy to come across. Actually, angel coins are definitely nowhere near as easy to come across. Boom and boom. I'm gonna just farm by 10, by 100. Oh, that's a lot. It's by max. Just do that. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's do that, and now let's go back to regular. Now we got 8, so we can stone molds, increase blacksmith's production by 200%, and we get another assistant. Oh, QI coins. 150 QI coins. What's that? Increase the production of all buildings by 1% per assistant you own. So that's a lot. It's probably worth it. Okay, things. Wow, this is some loud music. Man, we're making a ton of money though. How much? Okay, so we got like a mil. How many? We need 100 goblin coins. Free, increase the production of all buildings by 11% additional with all other royal exchanges. Well, okay, there we go. I just used up all of those. And we got 67 goblin coins, so I'm not using up goblin coins. We're getting goblin coins and keeping them. But I'm pretty sure the goblin exchange does something, I guess, really good. I don't actually really know. I'm just doing it because it looks interesting. We need a ton of fairy coins. I think the most common is probably the undead coins. Probably, I don't actually know though. It might be something way better. I need a lot more goblin coins, that's the problem. Even though we're about to get 50 mil for strong currency, increase the production of all buildings based on the amount of faction coins found in this game. Nice. Oh, we can get another necropolis over here, but I think I'm gonna save up 50 mil. Because I feel like 50 mil is a lot better. Okay, I got 50 mil. Boom. Now we got a lot more. Oh, and we got another one. Oh, treasure, orange treasure, increased base clicking reward by 1% of total production. Okay, well let's just not goblin, no. Boom. Now let's get more goblin. We need 100 goblin coins. Oh, another 50 already. Oh, you get money by trading in coins. Makes sense. Increase clicking reward by 25% and the production of all buildings. No, actually, no, I don't think it is like that. I don't know. We're just making a ton of money now. Dang. I guess we're making quite a few faction coins also. By 10 assistants. Because every time I also get no. Wait, hold up. No. Okay, so what does it do? Increase the production of all buildings by 11%. Every time I trade. An additional with all of the other royal exchanges can be bought multiple times, but the cost increase each time. I own 26, so current overall bonus is 286. That makes sense. Kind of. So I need 500 mil for the next one. But I will get the Evil Fortress over here. It's not really in. How do you move around? Tips and hit no. No. Well, whatever. No clue. Okay, so we can get up to the town grinder. I don't know clue what that is. Oh, and we got 100 goblin coins, goblin's friends, unlock goblin upgrades. Nice. Oh, never mind. Black market. What? First thing you see is black market. Okay. It's a bit weird. Okay, that's fine. What's this do? Coin. Oh. Let's just do that. Oh yeah, a lot of money every time I do this. We got 1 billion now. Nice. We're gonna be getting a lot of money quick. For a small bit. And then it's gone. Back to normal. We need 3.2 bill for the Hell Portal. And then we get to the Hall of Legends for 200 bill. It's a ways away though. Trophies. Boom, got that. Have I completed any trophies? How much? 20%. Okay. 5 out of 21. Okay, let's get back to this. Click and away. Click and away. Got to click away. Click. I might get another Evil Fortress. I don't know. How much is it? That's 500 goblin coins. Great. Well, I'm gonna get another Evil Fortress because max 238 mil. I'm getting everything I can. Ooh! I need to get 25 on the. Okay, good. I'm getting a lot of trophies. Yay! 6 trophies. And this is out of 150 farms in a single game. And that's progress 100, and that's 4 out of 22. Okay, now we have 15 upgrades also. Let's do that. Where's that? Oh, nice. Okay, we got all these upgrades now. We're making a lot of money, and you might want to know how many Assistants, we have 15. Total of 967 per second. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot of money. So I can't even buy 10 for this one. How many? 4. I'll buy 4. I'll buy 5 and I got 10 now. Okay, now I have to save up. Wow. 6, 15, 18, 18. I mean, I can get a lot of this. These are actually nice and worth it. Quite worth it, quite worth it. 24, and then one more 209 mil. 25. Okay, we got 25. And we got rotting corpses. Increase production. Okay, by a lot. And adds another assistant. We're almost able to get this. Almost there, almost there. There we go. Nice. We got that. And we're making a lot of money quick. That is, coins gain this game quite a bit. I need 5 bill. Cheap materials. Let's just save up for 5 bill. I mean, why not, right? It's the best thing to do. I don't really got much to do right now, so let's just do that. Oh, nice. We can also get this. Nah, we're doing that. So much more worth it. We got another assistant also. Oh no, would you get another assistant? No, you won't. Worth it. As I just showed you guys. We're making a ton of mail. We're gonna get 5 bill back in a second. And boom, let's do that. Trophies got 5 out of 19 on that one. Nice. I can trade this. Boom. Oh. Buy 1. Okay, well, we got this many. Oh, we got a ton of money. We're about to get... Oh, yeah, no, we're nowhere near. Never mind. We can get a hell portal. Yeah, sounds friendly. What can I get this time? Now this, we're almost to 100 on it. Nice. Oh, and we can get that. Just got that. We've got 3 of these. Dang. Let me get 2 first. And 2. Boom. And I'm just going to keep it on the max. I feel like that's also another good thing to have. Boom, boom, and we'll get 100 bill in no time. Easy. Not even hard. Oh, and we get the Hall of Fame. Hall of Legends, I should say. Whoops. Wrong thing. We got 100 bill. We need 500 bill for the next thing. 10, dang. 50 Dark Temples, nice. I need 95 bill. I'll probably wait to get like, I don't know. I should get 95 bill also. Boom. Now we're making more money quicker. Like, don't even have to worry about this stuff. You know, I'm gonna probably get 25 on this evil fortress thing. And just get 50 for that. Actually, I can do that right now. Boom. 50 on that. 4 trophies to get. That's nice. Oh, wait. You will earn gems which provide powerful bonuses, but at the cost of resetting your realm. Don't worry. You will keep all gems and trophies that you have unlocked. Nice. I'm not going to do it yet. I could get +1 of these. Coins required for the next gem, 3 trill. Each gem, oh nice, I'll get that in a second. Each gem increases your overall production by 2%. Nice. Now you will gain 1 gem, which will increase your production by an additional 2%. Nice. Whoops. Now you get 5 trill. You unlock the trophy clicking frenzies. Oh, nice. Get that one. Oh, we got another one of these. Thing. Let's do that. We got 100 on that. That's a lot. Boom, upgrades, yeah. Now let's continue with this. I think it'll reset everything once I reset, but feel like we should wait a small bit. Nice, I accepted that. Now we're making a lot more money quicker. Okay, well, we got that. Nice. When you get, we're gonna get +1 when we do that. So I'm gonna wait until it's +2. So that's 4%. Nice. Boom. I mean, we're making money so quick. I can just, like, do this. Oh, nice. Heart of Darkness. It's not very nice, but okay. Let's do that. Get our trophies. Boom, boom. And let's click a few more. Oh, getting a bill every time we click now. Nice. What? Increase the production halls of legend by 75%. Increase the production of all buildings by an additional. Dang. That'll take a while to get. +2. Now you will gain 2 gems, which will increase production by an 8%. What? Oh, next gem for 6 trill, you will need 1.6 more coins. That's not even hard. Really, is it that hard to get that small amount more? No, of course it isn't. It's just a few more clicks on here. Clicks on here. Almost +3. I mean, I really need 280 bill more. 3, 2, 1, boom! Boom. Done. 51. Woo! Now the next one I'll need. Oh, it's not taking long to get these, so I'll just continue on them for a small bit. I mean, I haven't got 100 of this yet, but I've got 100 of everything. What am I thinking? We need a few trill for that. I mean, not much. Not bad. Oh, look at this. I can get like another 50 instantly. Over here in no time. A few another trill. If that was an issue. Okay, we need another 500 goblin coins. That's a problem, because I actually have to click more. Because I don't have as many assistants. I got 19. That's still a lot. I realize. But still. I need 1.212 trill now. I mean, it's not much. And when I do it, I'll get a 12% boost. I mean, who wouldn't take that? Me, I ain't taking none of that. No, no, no. I bet it's coming like in instants. In 3, 2, but okay, it's already there. That was quick. And I'll just do this stuff up here and woo! Treasure seeker. Nice. I'm gonna just start going down the list. Oh, another trophy. Dang. We got 5 gems when we upgraded. What, 5 already? It's 20%. We'll need 2.482 trill again. Not much. I mean, really. Oh, another trophy. Dang. We need a 7 point something trill. That ain't gonna take very long. I'll be back when we have that. Okay, I've just clicked for like 5 seconds and we got this one, I realized. Boom. And now let's actually go into here. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. I'm not getting as many demon. Okay, let's buy that. Boom. We get more money now every second. And I'll see when we have enough. I realize we actually have +6 now. 24. Now we need 28 trill. So we'll be back in a second. Okay, we back. We got this hobgoblin one. And boom, we got, I don't know what we got. Oh, I think we got something. Hobgoblin, I think. What? Where'd it go? Well, we got something. Yeah, and I'll be back when we got another thing. Never mind, it's been like a millisecond. We've already got another one of these. 28% bonus. I'll be back in a second when we got something else. Okay, back. We got soul storage. 50 upgrades. Nice. Don't know what magic trophies are. No clue. Got a few. Oh, and we hit 8. Nice. 32%, and I'll be back when we have something new. Back, we got to 9 of this, 9 of these. Need a 9 point something trill more, and I'll be back when, actually, first, let's get I'll be back in like 5 milliseconds. And I'm back because we can get 10 of these. Boom, we got 10 of these. So we're up to 20 Hollow Legends. It's a lot of this. So, yep. Produces 7 coins per second. All buildings produce 155 per second. Nice. Oh, and let's just do this because it's my favorite one to do. Because it's really nice and simple. Oh, and we got another clicker thing. Oh, and we're up to 12. Nice, nice, nice. 13. Let's do that. Nice. We'll have a 14%. Nice. Oh, it's done. Okay, let's go to 14. 14 gems, 56% to boost. Nice. I don't know if it's time to do it now. I don't know. It's fun doing this. Okay, well, actually, I'm not going to yet. I'm just going to get a few more upgrades, and I'll be back once we got 500 goblin coins. I'll probably just go AFK, though. So, I'll see you in, like, a bit. Okay, wasn't AFK for an... I wasn't AFK. We just got 50 trill. So, I was like, okay, it's actually 90 trill. But, increased base clicking reward. So, let's just do that, and I'll see you when farther back, and we can get this one for 50 trill. Let's do it, and I'll be back in a bit. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up this video for today. Actually, let me get the 150 trill, so why not? That's gonna wrap up today's video, so I'll see you all later, and bye guys.